Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm just planning to, do my room cleaning because it's a mess. I had a mental breakdown for I think almost 2-3 days, after periods effect. And also, I'm planning to like clean my room and organize the whole room. And also, I'm planning to for a long time, I'm planning to buy a Christmas tree which I will be decorating in my home in this hall. And yeah, yesterday I went to to the market to see some trees, but to be very honest, I didn't like much of them. But some new trees are gonna come in a day, so I will be going tomorrow market again. So yes, I hope I might find my tree, like my ideal tree. So I am very excited because finally I will be decorating a Christmas tree in my home. So I'm so happy and grateful at the same time. And also for this video, after so long, I got ready for a YouTube video and I did my makeup today. And I'm loving my makeup. So, yes, first let's do the cleaning and yeah, then see what more you can do. And also, I stole this hoodie from my sister. I'm in love with this hoodie.
बर्लिन में डीजीबी का करेंसी सेंटर है। वहां पर 50 और 100 यूरो।
What the heck? क्या
उसको अच्छी शक्ल चाहिए थी ना रे।
कुछ भी मतलब चुप रहिए. I just woke up and I'm gonna clean my room today. I didn't do yesterday, but I'm gonna do today. It's a lot to do. You can see in the background. नहीं लग रहा अच्छा. Hello everyone. So for a very long time, I just wanted to talk to you guys about journaling. And I started journaling during the lockdown time, and trust me guys, the version of me during the lockdown was one of my most favorite version because I was so well managed. I was so much in shape and my mental health was also good. Everything was going well. But yeah, and this also is my favorite journal. I did all the journaling during the lockdown time in this journal, and I went through this a few days back and I was so happy. Like some days when I feel down or I miss something or I don't know, I just go through this journal and I feel good. It's not like something would happen. I have written a lot of things in it, a lot of problems and everything, but still it reminds me of how much managed and how much I was into myself, like caring about myself. So yes, this journaling really changed me, the thought about me. And so right now I'm using two journals. This year I used two journal. One, in this journal I write about after reading the Bible, what my thoughts are and what I learned, things like this. If I read a Bible chapter, then I read like, oh, okay. I like to talk to God by writing. I love writing to God. Like, I don't know, it just gives me a lot of clearance, clarity in my mind that when I talk to God like this. See. And in this journal, I make my daily to do list. I write my thoughts. There are some days with when I don't want to talk to God, also. I will be very honest with you because some days are really very much overwhelming. So it's really difficult for me that day to talk to God. But still, I eventually go back to God because where else can I go, right? And then finally, this is the most prettiest journal I ever got. My best friend gifted this to me, and it's so pretty. I just don't want to use this pretty journal. So, but I think I will be using this journal for 2026. But it's so pretty, And with this journal, I also got a lot of decorative stuffs like the stickers and many things. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. The color and the everything is so pretty about it. So yes, enough about journal. So how to journal? I want to talk to you. First, don't think anything about anything else. Just dump your thoughts over here, write each and everything, and yes, be honest with yourself because like there was a time when I was also not honest with myself even in the journaling time. I don't know, like I get so shocked when I read after writing like why I'm hiding things from myself even I know. So yes, that's the don't do that. Just don't do that. Just dump everything over here and then pick a highlighter or a different color of pen and then underline it. You will when you read it after writing everything, I'm pretty sure things will give you clarity. You will know some things, right? So it will really help you and it will it will raise a lot of questions in your mind and then write what you are feeling, why are you feeling like this, just because of the a certain person or the situation, or how you can change this feeling, or do you want to change this feeling, do you want to work on it, or it's just a part of being yourself. I don't know, but if you really want to start anything in 2026, start journaling. And I will suggest you, if you want to be consistent about journaling in 2026, start from today because once you develop a habit it will be easier for you to pick up in the new year also. So that's what I am thinking. But trust me guys, journaling really helps a lot. And try to end your journaling in a positive. It's okay, I also complain a lot when I journal. I may start with a negative thing, but at the end of it I always eventually my mind shows me the positive things. Like it's okay, I don't know why, it just happened. journaling has changed a lot of thing in my mind. Like I have become a lot positive, and to be very honest, it's not only because of journaling, it's because I have been reading word of god. Like I have been creating a relationship with him, so I eventually feel gratefulness for whatever he is doing in me. So yeah, everything for, I want to give glory to my god only. I have never talked about god, but after coming into Christ, I can never leave god in anything I do. So I feel so happy. Even though when I sin a lot, I am a very sinful person, but still I love God a lot and He loves me more than I love Him. So yes, see, I write Him a lot, like good God, yeah, and this everything. I love Him and I love journaling and to do to do list like this. So I think, and if you really start journaling, please let me know. And if you want any more tips or any questions on journaling, please let me know. Bye bye. So yeah, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you in another talks.